Hi everyone, this is Neel, Raithatha, consultant, audiologist and director of ClearWax. Thank you for joining me in my latest video using the WAXscope. And here we have a patient, as you can see, with a fully occluding right ear. And this earwax extends right from the entrance to their eardrum. One of the symptoms they were experiencing was cardiosynchronous pulsatile tinnitus. And that means they were hearing their heartbeat inside this right ear. And that was due to the occlusion effect. Now, our internal bodily rhythms, any sounds that are generated, they should escape out of the ear. So think about the eardrum like a two-way door. It allows external sounds in so we can hear them, but internal sounds out so we don't hear them. Otherwise it'd be very annoying for us. But when you've got an occlusion like this, that's blocking the whole ear canal, it's creating a conductive loss. So not only can sounds can't enter the ear, internal sounds can't escape. And that has resulted in this particular patient being able to hear their heartbeat, particularly at night when it's quiet in their right ear. And it was quite a meaty plug. So I've just separated it using a microsuction, but because it extends all the way to the eardrum, I can feel some resistance. So although I'm wriggling it, it's moving side to side, but not coming forward. So it's lodged deeper in. So in a moment, I'm going to use the Rai Angled Ear Hook, and the initial idea was just to go in there, dissect it into little pieces, go back in microsuction, but even then it just wouldn't come out. So eventually I went back with the hook and managed to retrieve all of it. It's one of those consistencies. It's kind of to use a hook or correct, but the hook worked well. So I'm just angling the WAXscope towards the roof of the ear canal, which then allows me to insert the ear hooks. I'm just going to get into the middle of it here. If I could break this piece away, which I did to some extent, and then go back in with the suction, I'll be able to remove this dissected piece, and then the rest of the wax will be a bit smaller and I should be able to extract it. But even this just wouldn't come out. So again, giving it a little wriggle. And just trying to lift it up and from left to right. You can see the first bend there, so it's just kind of trapped behind the first bend as well as being lodged in deeper in the ear. So now we're going to have one more attempt with suction. So you can see it to the right of the suction tip when the wax is extending deep in the ear, so it's a large log. And I have got some still images as well at the end, so it gives you an idea of the size. So again, I'm gonna try and go in deeper this time with the hook. So you can see just going right behind, bringing it forwards, and we just have to go backwards and forwards. So on several occasions we then managed to extract it. So again, just to the roof. I'm getting the deeper bit of the wax in focus because that's where I'm going to insert the ear hook. Just when you use the hook or any kind of, or even the ear pick within the correct, when you're bringing it out the ear, if you submerge it into the wax or you get right in behind, you've got to be careful that you don't go too deep with the hook or the correct or the pick, because as you're then dragging the wax plug forward, you could graze the floor of the ear canal, so you've got to be very careful. And then, yeah, I'm just going to go into that gap. Bring it a bit more forwards. I'm not turning the hook as much this time. I'm using kind of the angle. You can see that the tip is still facing at the rear clutch, trying to get more surface area. So I probably could have gone to the correct now, but it's nearly there. So I'm just going to get in and behind, and I think on this occasion it may come out, or it's hanging out the ear at least, I think now. So that piece broke away. So yeah, it's just, no, it's actually come away. So I'm just going to re-enter a bit of a bendy chicane first, second bend. That's the eardrum, nice and healthy. And you're going to see some still images in a moment. I just took the same plug, I just took it from different angles. So I just turned it around on the tissue with the hook. And this is the last still image. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Take care, keep well, speak soon.